To use MSUFCU's CashBack Plus on the mobile app, begin by logging into your account. Once logged in, select the Innovation Lab option at the bottom of the screen, then click the Start button below CashBack Plus and choose View All Offers to see available gift cards. Choose from recommended brands or search for the gift card you want to see. Once selected, choose the amount you want to purchase. The cashback reward will display below the gift card amount. Next, choose where to withdraw funds for the purchase and view the email where the gift card will be received. Purchase the gift card by selecting the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen, and a loading page will appear while finalizing the purchase. Once complete, you will see the order details. Click View in Wallet to see the gift card you have purchased. Click a gift card for additional details. Navigate to How to Use at the top of the screen for information about redeeming the gift card. Your wallet will show the available cashback balances. Click the Exit button at the top left of the screen to return to your MSUFCU account in the mobile app.